In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change color in Strongest Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you play the Strongest Battlegrounds, you might be curious if it is possible for you to change the color of your effects. So a lot of moves in here will have different colors attributed to them, and just like other experiences, you might be wondering if it is possible for you to change the color of those moves. Because in a lot of experiences similar to the Strongest Battlegrounds, you are able to purchase Game Pass and other things that allow you to change the color of your moves. If you go over to the Game Passes here, you will be able to find stuff like early access, extra emote slots, and so on, but you will notice that there is nothing related to changing the color of our attacks. We can purchase the Awakening outfit, but besides this, there is nothing else. And if we go over here to customization, we can change the aura, but none of these will refer to the actual color of our attacks. So as it stands today, is it completely impossible? Well, while it is not completely impossible, you will have to download an additional tool. You have to download RoShade. Essentially, this is shaders for Roblox. With this tool, you will be able to change the color of your attacks, not only in the Strongest Battlegrounds, but any other experience. So as you can see, what this is going to do is make Roblox look prettier. You can notice a difference by scrolling down. And of course, there's going to be an option here that allows you to change the color of your moves. So go over to download, and as you can see, you can download the basic shaders, but if you want to have full customization, you need the Pro version. Once you download this or you acquire the Pro version, just open Roblox and you will have to change this specific effect that I'm showing you on screen. If you are able to change this effect, then you will be able to change the color of the moves. Besides this, however, it is impossible because the Strongest Battlegrounds does not offer a specific game pass, just like other experiences, which would make it more convenient. I hope I was able to help you on how to change color in the Strongest Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.